Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Dear students, today we are going to start with your new lesson. Lesson number 7. The Ugly Duckling. Yes, it's going to be a very good lesson where we are going to see how an ugly duckling turns out into a beautiful swan. Bache, do you know what is ugly? Not very beautiful. Ugly is anyone who is not very beautiful. Dear students, let's see to it because the duck was really ugly. The duckling was ugly. Nobody wants to be there with him. So आपको कैसा लगेगा if nobody want to come and sit with you? आपको भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना? This was the same thing that हमारा जो small सी duckling थी वो experience कर रही थी. So बच्चे, let's try to see. First of all, we'll see the new words. Hatched. Hatched. जब जो मदर डक होती है या मदर hen होती है, जब एग के ऊपर सेट करती है तो वो उसको वार्म रखती है और मदर की वार्मथ के कारण से वो एग हैच हो जाता है, उसमें क्रैक्स आने लगते हैं और एक न्यू बेबी चिक या अ बेबी डक comes out of it. Next is reflection. What is reflection? When you see your own image, that is known as reflection. Rude, not being polite. जब आपको बहुत गुस्सा आया होता है, so that means not being polite. Next is fascinated, attracted towards getting something or someone. Fascinated, oh, I'm liking this thing. Mama, I want to have a new dress. I'm fascinated by this. So this means when you start liking something, that is fascinated. So I repeat, hatched, Hatched, hatched. Reflection, Reflection, reflection. Rude, Rude, rude. Fascinated, Fascinated, fascinated. Okay, wow. See, too many small ducklings and a mother duck is there. Oh, what I could see, a small ugly duckling also, black color duckling. So bache, let's see. The mother duck sat on 10 eggs. बच्चे मदर ने 10 eggs ले किए थे and one by one all the eggs hatched. I told you now, how does the egg hatch? Out came the little yellow ducklings. और बाहर क्या आया eggs में से? Small little yellow ducklings. Only the biggest egg of all did not hatch. सिर्फ एक जो बहुत big egg था ना, वो hatch ही नहीं हुआ. Mother duck sat on the big egg. So mother duck kept on sitting on the big egg जब तक कि वो hatch नहीं हो जाता है. At last it hatched. End में बच्चे वो egg hatch होता है and you know who comes out? Out jumped the last duckling. It looked big, strong and grey. So एक बहुत big सा duckling निकलता है egg में से. But the duckling is strong but grey in color. You know, grey, it was so different from the brothers and sisters. बच्चे ये जो duckling था ना, it was very different from its brothers and sisters. जो other 9 ducklings थी ना, वो तो yellow color, right? They were very beautiful also. But because this was grey in color, it was not at all beautiful. The next day, mother duck took the ducklings to the farm. So mother अब next day अपनी सारी ducklings जो 10 ducklings थी ना, उनको farm पे लेकर जाते हैं. No one knew what to do with the grey duckling. But किसी को भी नहीं पता था कि वो grey duckling के साथ क्या करना है. Right? The hens did not like him. Hens को तो वो अच्छा ही नहीं लग रहा था because वो बाकी सारे तो बच्चे बहुत सारे yellow color में थे. They were so beautiful. But वो जो ग्रे कलर का डकलिंग था ना, इट लुक्ड लाइक अगली डकलिंग. सो नोबडी वांटेड टू कीप दैट डकलिंग इन देयर ग्रुप. कोई भी उससे बात नहीं करना चाहता था. ऐसे थोड़ा ना होना चाहिए कि आप कलर के बेसिस पे किसी को डिफरेंशिएट करो. अब somebody is like quite fair in complexion, somebody is dark in complexion. आप ये थोड़ा ना कहोगे ओ इसका तो बहुत डार्क complexion, I don't want to talk to him. No, this is really wrong. You should not differentiate on the basis of color, right? So बच्चे, you know what happened? Hens को तो वो अच्छा ही नहीं लग रहा था. So hens did not talk. And even the pigs grunted in surprise. Pigs जो थे ना, they were also surprised to see. अरे ये कैसे ugly duckling? Oh, dark duckling. We don't want to talk to him. The ducks were rude to him. You know, the ducks thought, oh, we are very beautiful and our brother is not at all good looking. So they never wanted to talk to him. They were very rude to him. वो उससे अच्छी तरह से बात ही नहीं करते थे, right? So they called him ugly. So ये ducks उसको क्या बोलते थे? Ugly. Now his brothers and sisters did not play with him. बच्चे, that ugly duckling was left alone. कोई उससे बात नहीं करना चाह रहा था, right? So उसके जितने भी brothers and sisters थे, they did not even play with him. वो उसके साथ play भी नहीं करना चाहते थे. Oh, the poor duckling, isn't it? The grey duckling was very unhappy and alone. तो जो grey duckling था ना, was very unhappy. वो बहुत unhappy था and was left alone. उसके पास कोई play करने वाला नहीं था, किसी group में वो खेल नहीं सकता था, because nobody wanted an ugly duckling among themselves. Is that clear? So बच्चे, his life was at the farm was very hard. He was very lonely. His life was very hard. वो सारा दिन क्या करे? Nowhere to go around, no one to talk to. So dear students, you know, every day he ran away and came to the river. पता है? Every day he wanted to see himself in the river. वो river पे जाता था. There he saw beautiful swans with white feathers. और river पे he used to see the beautiful swans swimming. They were really very beautiful and they had wonderful feathers. They had long necks and pretty wings. उनकी जो necks थी वो बहुत long थी और जो उनके wings थे, they were also beautiful. How he wished to be with them. He always wished that he could swim with them. कि क्या ये भी उनके साथ कभी swim कर पाएगा? क्या ये भी उसको accept कर पाएंगे? So बच्चे, there was a kind of inferiority complex in the duckling because of the color. He was really fascinated by the beauty of the ducklings, of the ducks, of the swans. So as the days passed, he was fascinated by the beauty of the swans. So, dear students, he was really fascinated. Fascinated means attracted. तो वो बहुत attracted था to the beauty of the swans. He wanted to join them. He always wanted to go and swim with the swans in the river. But he was afraid that they would also find him ugly. But बच्चे, he was really very afraid, you know, कि पता नहीं वो भी swans उसको accept करेंगी या नहीं करेंगी. So he looked down in shame. He always looked down in shame. उसका head हमेशा droop ही रहता था. Oh, nobody is going to accept me. और वो अपने मन में सोचता रहता था, nobody is going to accept him. Nobody is going to talk to him. So how could he go and swim in a group na? So, but he was surprised to see his reflection in the river. You know, one day he was just drooping his head down and he was beside the river. तो उसने river में क्या देखा? He is no more ugly and is a beautiful swam. वो अब ugly नहीं था, but a beautiful swam. He was no longer an ugly duckling. He too had turned into a beautiful white swam, right? So dear students, do remember, हमें कभी भी किसी के साथ body shaming नहीं करनी है. Is that clear? You should not say, oh, fair complexion, dark complexion. We are not going to talk. You never know how the person is going to turn out to be. Is that clear? So remember, always stay in a group. Stay together, never go by looks. हमें कभी भी किसी की looks के ऊपर नहीं जाना है कि ये beautiful है, I'll talk with a beautiful person. ये ugly है, I'll not talk with the ugly person. That is really wrong. You should always stay in a group, right? Thank you.